Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find templates in InShot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the InShot app from your Player App Store. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and open it up. Now you're going to come to this page. From here, there's no template button, but if we look at down at the bottom of this page, it says material. Click on see all. This is basically where all your templates are placed. So you can scroll by all, popular, love, pro, effect. You got all these different tabs we can filter by. And also on the left hand side, we've got three horizontal lines. You click onto that, it's got a label quick selection here, so you can find more of these tabs. So if you want to look for some travel templates, they're all here. And now in order to use it, just simply click onto the template, scroll down, and that it will say if you're got InShot Pro, this is all inclusive, or you need 20 stickers for free unlock here.